Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a brand new iPhone release to talk about. Apple has officially announced the iPhone 16e. This is a brand new addition to the iPhone 16 lineup, bringing some impressive features at a more affordable price point. But with a starting price of $599, is this a solid upgrade or just another way for Apple to sell more iPhones? Let's break it down and see if the iPhone 16e is worth it. Let's start off with design. The iPhone 16e looks very similar to previous iPhone models, keeping a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display that Apple users are familiar with. This means you'll get an edge-to-edge display, great HDR support, and overall high-quality viewing experience. Perfect for watching videos, gaming, or just scrolling through social media. Unlike the iPhone SE models that Apple had previously sold, this one ditches the home button completely and fully commits to Face ID for unlocking your device. This officially marks the end of the home button on the iPhone. It's had a long run, but we all knew it was coming to an end. RIP home button. Moving on. One thing that is missing is MagSafe support. This means no fancy magnet-based accessories or fast wireless charging. A bit of a letdown, but Apple likely removed it to keep costs down. And this is where things get interesting. The iPhone 16e is powered by Apple's A18 chip. Yes, the same chip that is found in the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. This means the iPhone 16e supports Apple Intelligence, Apple's new AI-powered features that are slowly rolling out, to put it nicely. Some of these include notification summaries, AI-powered summaries for your messages and notifications. We also have Genmoji, AI-generated emoji based on your text prompts. And then we also have writing tools, advanced text editing and summarizing features. If you're interested in Apple Intelligence but don't want to drop near or over $1,000 on an iPhone 16 Pro, this will be one of the most affordable ways to get into Apple Intelligence. Now let's talk about cameras, or should I say, camera. The iPhone 16e only has a single 48 megapixel rear camera. No ultra wide or telephoto lens here, but this still is a major step up from older iPhone SE models, which were stuck with a basic 12 megapixel camera. With this 48 megapixel sensor, you'll be able to take higher quality photos even in low light, capture 4K videos with great detail, get better portrait mode shots, since Apple can now use the extra megapixels to create a depth effect without needing that second lens. Now this won't compete with the iPhone Pro models, but for a budget-friendly iPhone, this is a solid camera setup. Apple calls this setup the Fusion camera, which they claim is like having two cameras in one. Apple also claims that the iPhone 16e has exceptional battery life, lasting up to 6 hours longer than an iPhone 11 and up to 12 hours longer than the previous iPhone SE. That's a huge improvement for those who want an iPhone that lasts all day without needing to charge it constantly. Speaking of charging, there's no fast wireless charging here and no MagSafe, but there is standard USB-C charging. And one pretty big thing, this iPhone includes Apple's first in-house cellular modem, the C1 chip. Apple has been working on its own modems to reduce reliance on Qualcomm, and this is the first iPhone to feature it. We'll have to see how well it performs, but this could be a big deal for future iPhone models. Now, as far as pricing and availability, the iPhone 16e starts at $599 for the 128GB model. Pre-orders start this Friday, February 21st, and the official release date is February 28th. The phone comes in multiple storage options, 128, 256, 512, and it'll be available in two different colors, white or black. So should you buy the iPhone SE? Well, here's some reasons why you might want to buy one. If you want an affordable iPhone with Apple Intelligence supports, it's a great fit. If you need better battery life and a solid 48 megapixel camera, also a solid option. And if you don't care about the ultra wide camera, telephoto zoom, or MagSafe accessories, the iPhone 16e is the one for you. Now, on the other hand, reasons why maybe you should skip it. If you already have an iPhone 14 or 15 model, this wouldn't be a huge upgrade. If you want a Pro Motion display, like the 120Hz display or multiple camera lenses, not a good upgrade for you. And lastly, if you use MagSafe accessories and need fast wireless charger, the iPhone 16e is not the one for you. Overall, the iPhone 16e is a solid mid-range option. It's not groundbreaking, but it does fill a gap between older iPhone models and the higher end iPhone 16 lineup. It's a bit weird for me as far as some of the decisions that were made, but if you stop to think about it, it's all about cost. The iPhone 16e gets no MagSafe, no camera control, no dynamic island, but does get the action button. With no dynamic island, however, the iPhone 16e looks dated already. And what makes it even more weird is that Apple is still selling the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus, which do have the dynamic island. Not only that, it's a more expensive iPhone starting at $699, but it's technically not as good of a phone. No action button, no Apple Intelligence, a chip that is almost 3 years old. The iPhone 15 and 15 Plus don't really make sense in the lineup, but what do I know? Someone please just make it make sense. Anyways, so is there going to be a budget iPhone in the future? Because at $599, it's nowhere near that $399 price point that the iPhone SE was known for. I know you're getting a lot more, but it's a $200 jump on what was supposed to be the budget iPhone. Is $599 the new budget price? So what do you guys think about this iPhone 16e? Is it a smart move by Apple, or do you think they should have included more features or maybe a lower price point? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Apple updates. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.